Hi everyone, this is the Time Trade channel. Friends, in this video, I want to introduce you to a trading tool that helps you see the market and analyzes the situation thanks to precisely tuned algorithms. Let's see in practice how the neural network works. The trader can supplement his analysis with signals from a bot. By the way, this trading tool is now absolutely free. You can get it from the link in the description and it will remain with you forever. If you are a supporter of rational trading using various tools, like and subscribe to the channel because I publish very useful content for development in trading. Also, do not forget to click on the notification bell. Well, let's get started. I'm going to select a currency pair from the list in the trading bot interface for my first trade. Let's take the Canadian dollar and the Swiss franc OTC. Now, I go to Broker Pocket option, and in advance in the search bar, I will set this currency pair. The expiration time in the first trade will be 5 minutes. I will invest $2,000 according to the main rule of money management. To receive a signal, I return to the trading bot interface and press the expiration time button. After analysis, I see that the neural network predicts an upward price movement. Well, I go to the Pocket option broker, carefully look at the chart, and assess the situation on the market. Okay, I press the green button and watch the progress of this trade. Friends, to trade responsibly and use the help of the neural network, you can take advantage of the terms of the promotion. Now, using the link in the description, you can go to the bot interface and use its instructions to pick up the tool for free. I draw your attention to the fact that the neural network will remain with you forever with full functionality. An unlimited number of signals are given every day, and in the future, you will not need to pay any fees for its use. The passability of the trading bot is up to 85%, but for responsible trading, always use your trading logic because the final decision always remains with the person. In this video, I show how the neural network only helps make decisions. I do not conduct financial consultations and do not give recommendations. Here you see only practice based on my experience of using a neural network for trading. If you want to really understand trading on the currency pairs market, I invite you to free training from the Time Trade team. After my training course, you will have the ability to see the market structure, recognize key support and resistance levels, and make logical, informed decisions based on analysis, not intuition. I will show you how to learn to read a chart from scratch, understand why the price moves this way and not another, and how to build your own trading system based on real patterns, not other people's guesses. This training is suitable for those who want to not just copy signals, but develop as a trader, understand the market, and act confidently. If you have long wanted to start but did not know where to start, or tried but did not succeed, now is a great time. Follow the link in the description and write me a private message. I will answer and help you start your path in trading consciously and with an understanding of the essence of the market. Please note that I am currently trading on the OTC market. My neural network can work on weekends. Trading on the currency pairs market on weekends with the help of artificial intelligence opens up new opportunities for those who want to earn money even when most market participants are resting. On weekends, activity is concentrated on the over-the-counter market, which continues to operate at night and does not depend on the traditional schedule of large exchanges. It is during these hours that accurate and fast analysis is especially important, which the neural network copes with perfectly. This artificial intelligence is capable of processing a huge amount of information in a split second and will become a useful assistant for a trader. Thanks to the use of such technologies, a trader receives accurate signals even in conditions of unstable volatility, typical for over-the-counter trading. This reduces emotional stress and allows you to make more informed decisions. The neural network is not subject to fatigue, fear, or doubt. It works according to a clear algorithm, which makes it an indispensable assistant, especially when traditional analysis methods are ineffective. Using a trading bot with artificial intelligence gives the trader confidence in his actions. But each trade should also be based on human logic because the bot is an additional tool. The final decision to enter the market and the result depend largely on the trader. Well, if you don't have enough experience yet, you can trade using artificial intelligence. If you interpret the signals from the bot correctly, the price movement will be more predictable and understandable. Let me remind you that you'll find the link to the bot in the description. Within 30 days, go to the bot interface and take it for free. The neural network remains with you forever. One of the most common and painful mistakes novice traders make is the belief that a single trade can bring them instant wealth. Driven by excitement and greed, they often invest their entire deposit in one trade, hoping for a quick profit and not realizing they're putting all their capital at risk. This approach is incredibly dangerous and almost always ends in disappointment. The moment the market goes against them, they lose everything in an instant. After such a loss, disappointment sets in, followed by the thought that trading is just a scam or an impossible task. But the real problem is not in trading itself, but in the complete disregard of basic money management principles. Successful trading is not about taking huge risks, but about controlling losses and protecting your capital. There is a simple but very important rule that experienced traders follow. Never invest more than 3% of your deposit in a single trade. This rule is the foundation of long-term survival and growth in the market. For example, if your deposit is only $100, the maximum amount you should risk in one trade is just $3. Well, the first trade is over. The signal from artificial intelligence and my trading logic brought me profit. Excellent. I will continue my trading session. Let's set the expiration time to 1 minute. I will increase the investment amount to $2,100 and change the currency pair. Let's choose, for example, the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar OTC. Now we return to the trading bot interface and click the currency pair button and expiration time. Artificial intelligence prepares a forecast, and after analysis, I record a signal for an increase in price. According to the neural network, the trend will go up. Well, let's look at the chart and make our trading decision. I click the green button to buy. I explain in simple terms how neural networks work in trading, show strategies, and share real-life examples of how these smart systems can analyze the market more accurately and faster than a human. I'm trading with the help of a neural network that is absolutely free as part of a current promotion. You can get it too by following the link in the description and keep it forever with no additional payments. Plus, I offer free training where I help beginners step by step to understand the basic laws of price movement and learn how to build their own trading logic. You can request access to this training through the link in the description by writing to me in private messages. I respond to everyone and help each person start correctly. I'm here to guide you so you avoid the typical mistakes and start seeing real progress in your trading. If this topic interests you, don't forget to support the video with a like and subscribe to the channel. This helps me share more valuable content and lets you stay updated with all the latest strategies and tools. Meanwhile, the second trade was completed successfully. I want to repeat that if you use the trading neural network correctly and apply your logic to the currency pairs market, then it is quite possible to get good results. Trade responsibly, develop in trading, and your success can become a reality. This was the Time Trade Channel.